Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Gemini to summarize YouTube videos. First, understand that Gemini can quickly process video transcripts to extract key information, saving you significant time. This process involves just a few simple steps, making it accessible for everyone. You'll learn how to get the video link, paste it into Gemini, and craft an effective prompt. Let's get started with the first step. The initial step is to obtain the video link. Navigate to the YouTube video you want to summarize. Look for the Share button, which is usually positioned directly beneath the video player. Clicking this button will reveal several sharing options. Select the Copy option to save the video's unique URL to your clipboard, ready for the next stage. Now open Google Gemini, either in your web browser or using its dedicated application. Once Gemini is open, paste the YouTube video link you just copied directly into the chat input field. After pasting the link, add a clear and concise prompt. For example, you could type, "Summarize this YouTube video for me," or "Give me the key takeaways from this video." This tells Gemini what you need. After you submit your prompt, Gemini will quickly process the video's content and generate a summary. Take a moment to review this summary for accuracy and ensure it covers the main points you needed. If you require more detail, or if something is unclear, you can ask follow-up questions. For instance, you might say, "Expand on point 3, or what were the main conclusions?" This helps you get the most out of the tool.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.